Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to discuss a really important part of growing a company, either online or offline, and this part is a sales funnel. So the title of the video is What is a sales funnel? I'm going to start with my story of how I started online. So I was building websites. I was building websites on WordPress. I was building websites on different website builders. And then I was building e-commerce stores using Shopify. And then I was looking like, what's the next big thing? What's the evolution of a website? And then I came across the concept called sales funnels. And I learned more about this concept in the book.com Secrets. And basically a sales funnel is the future of a website because it is specifically designed for selling online, selling your product. It can be a physical product or a digital product. And a funnel is taking your client on a journey and making sure he gets the most value and you get the most profit out of every single client that goes through your funnel. People I work with ask me this question really frequently. Do I need a funnel? Do I need a sales funnel? And the cause of this question is that they don't understand the strategy and the power behind a sales funnel. Let's take a look at the most important principle of growing a company. So I took this quote from Dan Kennedy, and he says, "Whoever can spend the most money to acquire a customer wins." Take a moment to reflect on this one because it's really important to understand that there's a lot of competition online and offline in every niche, and when you can afford to spend more than your competitor, then this is when you are able to win and you're able to compete either offline or online as well. Every company out there has a funnel or needs a funnel. Whether they call it a funnel or not, it actually exists, or the company will simply just disappear. So the funnel is this thing that you see, and it's actually like this. You get traffic, and then it goes to leads, and then it goes to your clients, and then to repeated clients. So you have your audience, you have your target audience, and then you show them ads paying Google or Facebook, and you show them your offer, and then they become traffic to your website. And then from traffic, they become your leads if they're interested in your in what you're offering. They leave their contact information, and you can contact them and build a relationship with them using email marketing, for example, or using social medias. And then from those leads, some people will see value in what you're selling. Some people will analyze your offer, will compare it to your competitors, and will decide to buy from you, and they will become your clients. They will get you sales. And then the last thing that you want them to do is to become your repeat customers. So you want them to buy more than once, to recommend you, and to subscribe to your subscription box, for example, to your continuity program if you have one. Now I want you to really understand the concept of sales funnel, and I'm gonna show you an example. And we're gonna have, for example, a course that is a digital product and you sell it for $47. Let's say it's for those who want to learn English and they're speaking Spanish, and for English as a second language for Spanish speaking people. So you made this course, which can be a video course, and you're selling it for $47. This means that you have $47 margin to acquire a customer. You can't spend more than 47 because you'll just lose money. And since it's competitive, you're gonna spend money, like you're gonna spend a lot to acquire a customer. And then, for example, let's say your advertising cost is $40. You have your funnel optimized, and you have your odds optimized, and you're making $7 profit. So for every single course that you sell, you're making $7 profit. Now we're gonna see a really important part of a sales funnel. At this point, you know two things. You have a $7 profit, and you have a customer who is interested in learning English. Now, the logical thing would be to upsell them something else. And here's where you're growing, you're increasing your margin by the price of the upsell. So let's say you're upselling them 3 lessons with you for 30 minutes for $47. So your margin immediately went from 47 to 94. So that's how you outspend your competitors. That's how you're able to spend more. And that's how you increase the lifetime value of a customer by using sales funnels. The majority of those who are starting online, they're just focused on the front end sale, on making the sale and keeping the first profit, and then they just let the customer go. Even though they know the customer is interested, they know they found initial value in the offer and they bought it, and then they probably use that item if it's a physical product, or they got knowledge from your informational product, and they don't upsell, they don't want to increase because they don't understand the strategy, the marketing, and the psychology. And using a sales funnel, it's really easy to implement this. Now you can upsell more than one thing. If they buy the course, you can upsell them 30-minute consultation, and then a business really needs to have continuity program. So you can upsell them like a special club where you offer like daily live sessions or weekly live sessions, and to be a part of that club, you charge them $27 per month. And then let's say you have a special offer for $197 where it's a live event, and to attend it's $197, and they come and get more knowledge from you, get to learn English better. So this is a really good example. I hope you understand sales funnels more now. So to recap, what sales funnels allow you to do better than a website? They allow you to beat your competitors because you're able to spend more. So somebody who spends $40 to acquire a $47 sale and keep $7 profit is gonna be limited if you are able to spend $90 and acquire a customer and keep $4 profit. So you're able to also sell more because you can pay Google more, and you can make Facebook richer, and then you are able to get more brand awareness, and you're able to build a stronger relationship with your audience by spending more, because you're constantly in their social media, constantly in their on the websites that they're visiting by using ads, because you're able to spend more than your competitors. And then you're able, by using a sales funnel, to spend more money profitably. So now that you know this information, I have a question, which is, who do you think the sales funnel is for? Like, any company out there needs a sales funnel, so anyone who is trying to start anything online or even offline, do they need a sales funnel? And if you answer no, then maybe I didn't do a great job explaining what a sales funnel is, but I know this book will help you understand more because it helped me, and I'm trying to implement the strategies in this book. This is just one of the concepts explained here, but you're gonna be able to learn more here. So the link should be down below. I really think this book is valuable, so that's why I recommend it to anyone who's doing anything online. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you for watching till this point. And if you got value from it, make sure to leave a like. And if you have questions, leave a comment below. I would love to see what you think about sales funnels. And if you are new here or you're watching my videos but didn't subscribe yet, make sure to subscribe, and you're gonna be notified when I release new videos. So thank you, and see you tomorrow in another video.